Greek Scientists Society has released its
The Greek
collaboration
Scientists
platform app.
Society, the largest global Hellenic network of scientists and technologists, has released the GSS Collaboration Platform app, giving the opportunity to its members to work in a common space. Learn more about the Greek Scientists Society initiative in the next video.
The Greek Scientists Society, or GSS in short, is the largest global Hellenic network with more than 27,000 members in 22 months, of scientists and technologists from Greece, Cyprus and the diaspora, connected with their peers from all over the world. Non-Greeks are welcome to take part in the GSS circles. The circles represent the various science and technology areas like space economy, cybersecurity, and others. GSS has been awarded as one of the most engaging groups on LinkedIn. The Greek Scientists Society believes that science and technology are the fundamental drivers that bring humanity social and economic improvement, leading to knowledge-based communities and networks that thrive in the international landscape. Watch in this video, myGSSapp features as well as a presentation of the community resources that are available to the members for free.